Checking the dashboard every day is reactive. Ask Sidekick for a Monday morning revenue digest. Sidekick drafts a scheduled flow that pulls last week's orders and revenue, then emails you and your ops manager with FlowSend. Open the draft in Shopify Flow and walk through each step. The trigger runs every Monday at 9 a.m. Eastern and does not end. Get analytics data, pulls total orders and revenue from the past 7 days with ShopifyQL. FlowSend sends the summary with orders, revenue, and AOV. Replace the placeholder emails first, review the workflow, then turn it on. Confirm in the Modal to activate the automation. Once active, the digest lands in your inbox every Monday morning. The email content uses Liquid for shop name, total orders, revenue, and AOV.